Sony has just released the first trailer for Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse, unveiling dozens of Spider people involved in highly anticipated sequel. The animated film is the first chapter of a two-part story that will end with Spider-Man Beyond the Spider-Verse, and both films will be focused on Miles Morales and his journey to become a hero. The first trailer for Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse does a recap of the first film events, reusing some footage from Into the Spider-Verse to highlight the most significant milestone in Miles Morales' journey. However, once we get to the new Across the Spider-Verse footage, with dozens of different versions of Spider-Man, When Spider-Man, Spider-Woman, and every Spider-Person you can imagine. So now that the trailer is available, let's break down where all these Spider-Man come from. At the end Into the Spider-Verse, Miles closes the interdimensional rift opened by Wilson Fisk with the help of the other people. Everyone goes back to their original universe, but in the last few frames of the first movie, Miles hears Gwen's voice calling him from the multiverse. So of course, Across the Spider-Verse will see the return of Ghost Spider, with Gwen's enlisting Miles to solve a new multiversal crisis. A world full of spider cameos. Gwen takes Miles into a Spider People city that seems to be at the center of the multiverse. There we see dozens of different Spider-Man walking around in just a few seconds. Since some of the versions of hero appear so small on the screen, it's hard to pinpoint which each versions come from. However, some costumes are too unique for just to ignore. For instance, right in the first frame, we see what looks like purple and black Spider-Man. The purple Spider-Man could be inspired by the Plover Miles' uncle and one of the villains into the Spider-Verse, or it could be the Ultimate Spider-Man's outfit as well. It could also be a nod of the Sham suit which debuted in 2002 Amazing Spider-Man Volume 5 #93. The Sham suit is worn by Benjamin Reilly, a Peter Parker clone who often acts as a villain while sometimes he also shows up as hero. In Spider People Citadel, we also get a clear image of the black and yellow spider armor MK2 introduced in 2011 Amazing Spider-Man #656. In the comic books, Peter creates the spider armor MK2 to compensate for the loss of his spider sense. The suit is bulletproof, helping Peter to fight criminals even if he can no longer anticipate gunshots. Another Spider-Man uses a modified Iron Spider suit, or at least the metallic arms of the unique exoskeleton introduced in 2006, the Amazing Spider-Man #529. Curiously enough, the Spider-Man with the Iron Spider legs also wears pants and shoes that look much like Patwir Prabhakar, a hero from India whose first appeared in 2005 Spider-Man India #1. Peter Parker returned to the Spider-Verse. Also returning for Across the Spider-Verse in Peter B. Parker, a middle-aged hero who was a recurrent teacher of Miles in the first movie. Peter is wearing a baby sling, which seems to imply he got back with Mary Jane and they had a kid after the events for the first movie. First look at Issa Rae in Spider-Verse. The trailer also gives us a first look of Issa Rae, Spider-Woman, one of the new Spider people introduced by the film. The version of Spider-Woman rides a red bike and can shoot spider webs from her fingers. Oscar Isaac x Spider-Man 2099. The main villain of Across the Spider-Verse and Beyond the Spider-Verse is the multiverse villain, the Spot. However, people facing the villain Miles might have to fight other Spider people including Miguel O'Hara, Spider-Man 2099. Introducing in 1992's Amazing Spider-Man #365, Miguel O'Hara is an engineer of Irish and Mexican descent who tries to recreate the powers of Spider-Man using technology. However, a lab assistant fuses his DNA with that of a spider, turning him into a mutant. The trailer underlines how Across the Spider-Verse versions of Miguel O'Hara is a big and brutal, while there are dozens of Spider people in the trailer. Red Spider-Woman and Spider 2019 seems to be the most important new faces around. Spider-Man 2009 appears to be a leader in the Spider-Verse, which explains why he be at odds with Miles. Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse is set to release on June 2, 2023. Spider-Man Beyond the Spider-Verse releasing on March 29, 2024. So this is all about Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. So if you like the video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.